Is it playing? Oh, come on. Anyway, hi guys. We're back. This is the last day of our
Ooh, someone, come on, someone.
We don't really have,
Hit the bird. Ah, come on.
back up. Sideways.
Fine.
Alright. The last video we made, this is our third video, we put Tweety Bird. And we got him like a mud scratch right here, a couple spots, and then she has to pause the video. But okay. We ran out of things to do. We didn't really think about this, so we're just gonna do another Desert Tweety Bird for y'all to see. Funnily, with that, the last video we tried to record this, she covered the video with her finger. So you didn't really see it. Hopefully this will be funny. I don't know, 'cause I hate Tweety Bird!
Everybody hates Tweety Bird. Because Tweety Bird's head is bigger than her body. Or his, I don't know. Hannah, is Tweety Bird a him or a her? Or is it a he, she?
He, she, I guess.
Because I think it's funny how Tweety Bird says, I told I saw a putty cat.
Oh yeah. Okay, I picked up some red pieces of this broken lid to spray around him like it's blood. Alright, get the Tweety Bird. Just cover the camera.
Only 3 fingers I'm holding.
Alright, Rebecca, do you want to hit it one more time, or is this good?
Hit him one more time.
Alright.
Tweety Bird is still alive because you saw him move. He'd probably move again.
Alright, well that's all we have for you today. Play it. Oh, it's playing? Oh, sorry. Okay, well she wants to see the little blood pieces.
Well,
I think I threw them at the wrong time, but... Oh, they're over there. He was over there. In his former glory. Hold on, I can fix this. In here. Let's make him over. Already dead.
Okay.
Out the run. Out the run. Go!
Okay, so Tweety Bird is dead.
Alright, so that's all our video we have for today. Rebecca wasn't really in this one, but she's going to be in the next one. Alright, so let us do our signature pose and get this video ended. Okay. Ready? Wait, where's the stop button? Here. Crap. Alright. You ready? And...
I don't think you got me.
And... Now turn this camera around to stop it.